In a world where we're constantly connected, creating space and making someone miss you has become an art form. But what if I told you that the ancient philosophy of Stoicism holds the key to mastering this art? In today's video, we'll explore how to use Stoic principles to make them miss you badly. Let's dive in. Number 1, the power of detachment. One of the core teachings of Stoicism is the practice of detachment, learning to let go of your attachment to outcomes and people. By not clinging to others, you create a space that naturally draws them back to you. When you detach, you exude a quiet confidence. You're not dependent on their attention, and that makes you irresistible. They begin to wonder why you're so composed, and that curiosity makes them miss you. Number 2, embrace the value of absence. Absence makes the heart grow fonder, a saying rooted in Stoic thought. The Stoics understood that sometimes less is more. By intentionally stepping back, you allow others the time and space to reflect on your value. Don't always be available. By creating a void, you give them the chance to miss your presence. Your absence becomes a powerful tool that makes your return even more appreciated. Number 3, cultivate inner strength and self-sufficiency. Stoicism teaches us to cultivate inner strength and self-sufficiency. When you rely on yourself for happiness and fulfillment, you project an aura of independence that others find deeply attractive. People are drawn to those who are self-sufficient and content on their own. By focusing on your own growth and well-being, you become someone they miss, not just because of what you bring to their life, but because of who you are. Number 4, the art of silence. Silence is powerful. The Stoics often practice the art of silence, understanding that sometimes saying nothing at all speaks volumes. Silence creates mystery, intrigue, and a space for others to reflect. By mastering the art of silence, you leave them wanting more of your thoughts, your opinions, and your presence. This longing is what makes them miss you. Number 5, show emotional control. Stoicism emphasizes the importance of emotional control. When you don't react emotionally, you show others that you're not easily swayed or dependent on their approval. This calm demeanor can be incredibly captivating. When you maintain emotional control, you stand out from the crowd. They'll start to miss your steady presence, especially in a world full of emotional turmoil. Number 6, the power of understatement. Less is often more. Stoicism teaches the power of understatement, being modest in your words and actions. This subtlety makes others lean in, wanting to know more, and ultimately miss your understated presence. By not overselling yourself or your feelings, you create an air of humility and grace that makes others long for your company. They'll miss your quiet confidence and the depth that lies beneath. Number 7, focus on what you can control. The Stoics taught us to focus on what we can control, our actions, our thoughts, and our responses. When you apply this to relationships, you let go of the need to control how others feel about you, which ironically makes them miss you even more. By focusing on your own life and not trying to control others, you become more attractive. They'll miss the sense of freedom and respect that you bring to the relationship. Number 8, practice gratitude without expectation. Gratitude is a key Stoic principle, but what makes it powerful is practicing it without expecting anything in return. When you express genuine appreciation without strings attached, you create a memorable impact. By practicing gratitude selflessly, you leave others reflecting on your sincerity and warmth. They'll miss the positivity you bring into their lives, longing for that sense of appreciation you offer. Number 9, be unapologetically authentic. Stoicism encourages authenticity, being true to who you are, regardless of external pressures. When you are unapologetically yourself, you stand out in a world of conformity, making others miss your unique presence. Your authenticity creates a strong impression. When others realize they can't find that same genuineness elsewhere, they'll start to miss your refreshing honesty and individuality. Number 10, master the art of patience. Patience is a virtue highly valued by the Stoics. In a fast-paced world, the ability to wait calmly for the right moment is rare and powerful. By being patient, you allow others to come to you on their own terms. When you don't rush or pressure others, you become a calming presence in their lives. They'll miss your patience and the space you give them, often seeking you out because of it. Number 11, cultivate a sense of mystery. Stoicism teaches us to value depth over superficiality. By cultivating a sense of mystery, sharing selectively and keeping some parts of yourself private, you intrigue others, making them miss you when you're not around. A sense of mystery draws people in, making them think about you even when you're not there. They'll miss the layers of your personality they have yet to uncover. Making someone miss you isn't about playing games or manipulation. It's about mastering the art of presence and absence, of detachment and self-sufficiency. By living according to Stoic principles, you naturally draw people toward you, leaving them wanting more. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who could use this wisdom, and subscribe for more insights on living a Stoic, empowered life. Remember, the greatest power lies in how you carry yourself, not in what you say, but in what you do. Which Stoic principle resonated with you the most? Let us know in the comments below and share your thoughts on how you've applied Stoic wisdom in your own life.